Hey, I'm David, and let me teach you some Mandarin Chinese words related to my hand. And hand, 手 palm, 手掌 palm, 手掌 and finger, 手指 finger, 手指 and fingernail, 指甲 fingernail, 指甲 and fingerprint, 指纹 thumb, 大拇指 index finger, 食指 index finger, 食指 and middle finger, 中指 and ring finger, 无名指 ring finger, 无名指 and little finger, 小指 little finger, 小指 and that's what we call fist, 拳头 fist, 拳头 you see that lines, palm lines, 掌纹 palm lines, 掌纹 and wrist, 手腕 wrist, 手腕 you see the calluses on my hand are called 茧. If you go to the gym frequently, your hands will develop them. And do you have 茧 on your hands?